Hey friends, welcome back again. It feels so good to be back here and to bring you the latest news on immigration. Please do well to stick with me to the end of this video if you want to know what it is. My name is Tina Oba. I'm an immigration attorney and I represent clients from all over the world with complex immigration cases. And talking about complex immigration cases, we just had a very sweet victory for a client in Texas on a humanitarian parole case that we handled. And so we are very pumped right now. The client is very elated. And of course, there's celebration everywhere. She was just approved yesterday. And so if you have a complex case or whatever your immigration case is, we are more than happy to assist you. Please do well to reach out to us and we will help you get the results that you desire. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the latest Supreme Court decision in Sanchez v. Maryorkaz. I'm going to be talking about those the decision applied to and how you can overcome this decision. So come with me. Now, let me give you a brief background of the case. Sanchez, a citizen of El Salvador, entered the United States unlawfully in 1997. In 2001, the government granted him temporary protected status and he was able to work and earn a living for himself. In 2014, he applied to be given an LPR, that's the legal permanent residency, and he was denied. Now, the Supreme Court has held that he is not eligible to receive a legal permanent residency status because he entered the country unlawfully. And the Supreme Court said that the fact that he was given a temporary protected status does not cure the underlying illegality. That means the underlying illegal means by which he entered the country. Supreme Court has said that for you to be able to get a legal permanent residency status in this country, you must have been admitted into the country. What does admission mean? In other words, you must have been inspected and given authorization by an immigration officer to enter into the country. If you came in by the land borders, you must have been inspected and authorized by an immigration officer on the land borders to enter. If you came in by air, you must have been inspected and authorized by the immigration officers at the airport to enter the country. Absent this, the fact that you have a temporary protected status does not make you eligible to get a green card because you entered the country illegally, and this was the case in Sanchez versus Maryorkaz. Now, the question is, I've had a lot of questions, people reaching out to me, or people who have overstayed their visa and they're thinking, does this apply to me? And now the question is, how did you enter the country? I mean, it doesn't apply to you if you enter the country legally, if you were inspected and authorized to enter the country. But if this is not your case, then the decision definitely applies to you. Now, how can you overcome this decision? Now, a person with TPS or someone who entered the country illegally might be eligible to apply for a green card, but to do that, the person must first apply for a waiver. Now, note that the waiver benefit doesn't apply to everybody. It has very stringent circumstances, and not every person may be able to meet the stringent conditions to apply for a waiver. So if you want to know whether you can apply for a waiver, you want to reach out to us. We're going to analyze your case and see whether we can help you apply for a waiver in the circumstances of your case. Now, I hope this video was helpful. Please do well to share it with your friends and loved ones and with all your contacts. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay blessed and bye-bye.